Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment EXP22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. In its project description, you work for a rock while AutoSales and have been asked to aid the development of spreadsheet to manage sales and inventory information. You will start the task with the previous worksheet that contains vehicle information and sales data for 2018. You need to convert data into tables. You will manage the large worksheet, prepare the worksheet for printing and sort and filter the table, include calculation and the format the table. That's our project description. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, English, literature, nursing, psychology, history, or if you need help in Pearson course, Cengage course, Canvas course, or Pearson Plus course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just scan the barcode of my WhatsApp given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start download, open the file name exp22 Excel chapter 4 cumulative assessment. I need to open this one. That's our file. I have opened now. That's our first step. Our second step is freeze the top row on the fleet information worksheet. So we will go to that is our fleet information worksheet. We will select the top row and in the data in the view tab, we will go to the freeze panes and select the freeze top row. So now it's freeze. You can see when we move downside, we will see the first row as a freeze. So that's our second step. Our third step is convert the data to a table. Name the table as a inventory. So we will copy this table name and go to the insert tab. Select within the data and select table and insert a table with the header and name the table as a inventory and apply the gold table style medium 19. So we will go to the table styles and here we will go to the table style 19. That is our gold table style 19. We will select this one. That's our third step. Our fourth step is remove the duplicate records. So we will go to the data tab and in the data tab we will move to the here in the data tools we will go to the remove duplicates. We will see select all and press OK. Three duplicates value found and removed. So press OK. We have removed the duplicates from our file from our sheet. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is sort the table by make in alphabetical order. Add a second level to the sort by year, smallest to largest, and a third level to sort by sticker price, smallest to larger. So we will go to the sort. We will go to the home. We will select the table inside the table, and here we will select the custom sort. First sort make by make in the alphabetical order. So we will select the by make in the alphabetical order and second add level is the year smallest to larger. We will select year smallest to largest and third is sticker price smallest to largest. We will select the sticker price smallest to largest and press OK. We have sorted our table according to the custom sort. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is repeat the file field name on the all pages. So we will go to the page layout. Here in the page setup, we will go to the sheet and here we will select repeat the row to repeat at the top. We will select the row 1. Repeat the field name on the all pages. So we will select the row 1 and press OK. So it's now repeated on the all pages. That's our Sixth step, our seventh step is change the page break so the each vehicle make is printed on the separate page. So you need to change the page break. We will select the page break as a insert a page break. So we need to select the page break as a so every make vehicle is separated by page. So we will make move this to upside. That is our page break. We will make it different by each. Reset all page breaks. You will go to select the our eighth step is add a footer with your name on the left side, the sheet name code in the center, and the file name on the right side. What we need to do? We need to insert a footer. We will move to our Excel sheet. We need to go to page layout. We need to go to header. We will go to the custom footer. What we need to file name on the left side, that is the file name. In the center we need to sheet code, that is our we need to and at the right side file name code. We have inserted our footer. That's our eighth step. Our ninth step is click to the sales information worksheet and convert the data into table and name the table as a sales. We will copy this. We will insert a table with the header and make this table name as a sales table and apply green table style dark 11. We need to apply green table style dark 11. That is our green table style dark 11. That's our ninth step. Our 10th step is type percentage of stickers in the cell E11 E1. So that's our cell E1. We will select and paste this one, percentage of stickers. That's our 10th step. We have total 21 steps of this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you want to know about the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan my WhatsApp barcode and come directly to my inbox. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get a new video update. Thanks.